Everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create very awesome short stories using one of these AI tools on the market. And I find it very interesting because many of us try so much time to work on the content creation, but it's such inspiring how these AI tools could help you to generate content that you want. All you have to do is just type up what you need and it will give you the content within a second. So here's how I'm going to show you. This is my Medium account and I have created a story recently that I wanted to share with you guys. It's chapters to chapter. I will share the link on my profile and you can go ahead and read it. So it contains about chapters till 6. This overview looks like this, and also that I use character and description to generate characters, of course, and using Midjourney. It's another AI tool, so which is also another amazing. It can give you almost whatever you type it to generate images. So these are all AI generated images using Midjourney with our description. Okay, so this is overview how it looks like. So you can do this actually within 5 minutes if you don't want to spend too much time on it. But if you really want to read everything, proofreading, change a little bit things in the stories and organize them, and so it may take a little bit, few hours. But no worries, you can do that in 5 minutes as well. So you can have your short story up and running on your YouTube channel within 5 minutes. Okay, so here's the first thing first, what we need to do, how to generate these images, right? So let's go to one of my another stories. And my other stories that I wrote, actually another post, is about how to generate mystery stories using ChatGPT. So I described it as, first of all, we need to decide about which topic you want to write a story about. Second is that you need to plan your stories. And third, start writing your story. And of course, you can use the AI technology, ChatGPT, to generate plot twists. And later on, the fifth one will be to redefine your story. Sixth one, once you're done with everything, you can go ahead and publish however you like, wherever and whenever you like to. And one of the things that step one is that what I did. So I firstly did not know what to write about, right? So I asked the ChatGPT, generate 10 mystery story topics. This is what I got as a result. It listed 10. Without writing 10, it also generates 10, sometimes 5. You can always ask more. And then afterwards, when I decided what I have to write, and then second version was to plan your story. This is one of the most important part. What is going to be on the first, what's going to be on the second, what's going to be on the third, and how you want an ending. You can just literally don't have to worry about anything. You can go to ChatGPT. You can just type in, create a story with a 5-6 chapter. This description. I want these characters like this. So basically, you're defining each character however you want, or you don't want to spend too much time on it. You can just simply write, please create story with a 5-6 chapter about a mystery girl, blah blah blah. However you want, whatever you like. So here's another one that I used. You can also ask it, as we described it, you can ask the ChatGPT for generate a plot twist. For example, as a prompt, you can ask, can you suggest some plot twist for a mystery story? Because let's assume that you have no idea, right? So we need to use to get some information. And as a result, we get a response. Sure, how about a script item discovered in an unexpected location? Seemingly innocent character turning out to be a culprit, or surprising motivate for a crime. Sometimes it may sound okay. Sometimes you need to modify what it is. So it kind of gives you a bit idea. Also, I also have another one here. Let's say crime was committed for a completely different reason that what was originally thought, or the crime was covered up for even bigger, more senior crime. So once again, it generated 9 different ideas. So you can choose whatever you want. If you wanted ChatGPT to generate more, something you didn't like, you can always ask, please generate more, and it will keep generating. So number 5 in the step was to refine your story. This is also very important. After using the tools and generate your ideas, do not forget to refine your story. It will be evolved, adding or removing the details. So adjusting a little bit the story or making other changes, ensure that your story is actually makes sense, not completely awkward or goes away from the actual topic. And of course, you can keep it in mind what you can do, checking coherence and develop your characters. It's very important. That's what I did. Add some details, adjusting pacing, and polish the language, right? So if you don't want to copy and paste exactly, you can always do proofreading. You can check everything. You can a little bit chop it up and polish the language it was used. It will take time to refine your story, but if you wanted to have a great result, everything takes a bit time. But if you really don't want to spend too much time on it, it will take 5 minutes, maximum 10 with all the uploading to social media account. So you can have 5 to 10 minutes just to create your short story with everything, and you can just go ahead and upload it. And once you're done, what we do, we just publish our mystery story. I will be doing another YouTube video about more details. And so this is how it looks like. This is the image which I generated from using the Midjourney. So I typed some description. It came out like this. It also looks a bit scary. It's okay to use. As you can see, those letters doesn't make any sense at all. So probably the AI not able to generate. So whatever you write, may write. Please include this on the image about the character. It literally don't really include that. I also asked to include logo of John Green. It literally ignored the command and just generated something awkward. So thank you guys for watching, and the next video will be more detailed how to do this process step by step. Take care, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye.